pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fountainhead Orchard Hills. Local and long-distance movers. Near me. Relocating miles away to another place comes with its own array of hardships. You'll have to manage everything on your own in a new neighborhood, city, or maybe even a new state without having the backup of friends and family. Don't worry. Our moving crew at 3 men and a truck will make your moving portion of relocating much easier. We have been moving customers worldwide for more than 2 decades now. We are licensed and insured, equipped with modern tools and technologies to carry any commercial or residential move. Our movers are experienced in packing and transporting your stuff, as well as in handling any unexpected challenges along the way. We ensure to provide a damage-free and timely delivery of your possessions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fountainhead Orchard Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our